your sexy story.
Juicy.
Tell them walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty, hair, fashion, sometimes videos. And if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. So today we are going to be talking about this beautiful V-part wig. Yes, you heard me right, I said V-part. So Unice sent over this beautiful kinky curly wig. This is 20 inches and it is a V-part style. So the V-part style, the I part, the thin part have been going around lately, and they are the kind of parts that they're similar to a U part, but you can have little to no leave out. And today I decided to go for the no leave out option. So if you want to know how I got this look, please be sure to continue watching the video. So all the details will be down in the description if you need them, and I hope you enjoy. So this is the box it came in. It's a Christmas box. I don't know if they're going to continue using these boxes, but I prefer these boxes. These boxes are cute. Inside comes a little Christmas gift. Oh, cute. The wig and this little care package box. Bag, not box. So these huge lashes. Got these styling clips which I love. I have like a whole bag of these and this will go in the bag. Wig caps, they won't be necessary for this wig, but I will stash them away. And I think this is a silk scarf. That's quite a nice scarf. So that is what comes in the box. Let's take a closer look at the wig itself. So this is the wig itself. The curls are so pretty. The curls are so nice. And then this is the inside of the wig. It has like this netting in here so that it lays really flat. You don't get wefts sticking out. So that's really nice. It has these clips to help secure the wig, and then these combs, and then you can also use this standard I don't know what to call this, but the standard string that you pull to make the wig tighter. So there's that. I love the curls. I think the curls are really pretty, but I kind of want to break them apart a bit and make them look a little less manicured, manufactured. So I'm going to diffuse it. I'm gonna put some conditioner in it and diffuse it, and then I'm gonna try the wig on. And I actually think I'm going to try this wig like no leave out whatsoever, because I saw a video that Ivy did and she had this method that she used and it was, so I'm gonna try it that way, and hopefully everything goes as planned. Fingers crossed. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna diffuse it now and I'll see you in a bit. So I have blow dried, diffused, wet these curls, and now they are looking a lot more realistic, a lot more natural, and I love that. I'm looking washed out in the back, but you know, oh, look at the curls, get into the curls. But yeah, So don't judge my Meek Mill braids. I have done something to my edges. Most likely the edges are going to be covered up, but yeah, let's get it. So we've managed to get the wig on and there's no lumps and no bumps. It looks really good. Let me just adjust it a little bit. Yeah, that looks really good. Like obviously the part is not perfect, but to be honest, for like meetings and Zoom calls, nobody's gonna see that. But if you know, if you're going in public and you want it to make it look a little bit more natural, we're gonna get into that in a little bit. I do need to make it frame my face a little bit better because there's a bit too much in the front right here. So I think I'm gonna trim it in the front. I am super happy, but I think it's just a necessary evil I just need to get over and done with. So I've got a razor here and I'm just going to go for it. Yeah, much better already. So I'm trying not to trim too much, but I do need to get rid of like some of this length in my face because I need to see. And see the difference between this side and this side. Like, see that? So this is what the hair is currently looking like. It is very, very pretty. Like I love the curls. Oh my gosh. It's very big. I wasn't expecting it to be so big, but it is. And I love that. So right now we're gonna get into the part where I was talking about what Ivy did to kind of hide the part, and I am very excited. So what she did that I saw was that she sprayed the part with some holding spray. It could be Got to Be, it could be Bedhead. I'm using the olive oil Fix It Hold spray, so I'm just gonna spray that in the part. I'm gonna try and take some hair from here and then just like hold it down. See if I can do it. I haven't tried to do this before, so I don't know. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, she brought it over and she held it down. Oh my gosh, look at the difference between this side and that side. That's so cool. It looks so natural. So I don't know how long that solution is going to last, but look at it, it looks so I've already destroyed it. So I guess it doesn't last long, but it did look really good. I think obviously maybe the stronger the spray you use and the better you do it, but to be honest I cannot be bothered. I'm just going to do some back combing to try and hide it, and to be honest I feel like it looks pretty good the way it is, but I think if you're a bit more dedicated to the method you might be able to do it a bit better than me, but it is what it is. I really like it the way it is. I think if anybody's looking that close up into your part, that is their problem at the end of the day. But yeah, look at this. So yeah, at the end of the day, this V-part is approved by me. I really love the way it looks. I can't tell how it looks up close because, you know, I'm bending down, but I think it looks good enough. I think it looks good enough. I love this. Perfect for work as well. I might do a bit more shaping to it, but yeah, at the end of the day, I'm happy with this. So all the details will be in the description box down below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, and I would love to see you in the next one. So till then, take care. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.